Hello folks, this is Liu Will channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we will make a dish. It's called the fried scrambled eggs with shrimp. Chinese name called 虾仁滑蛋. The main ingredients we need is the 1 pound shrimp, cooked or uncooked. Either is okay. And we also need 7 eggs. We need 7 eggs. And 1 green onion. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the green onion or called scallion. We cut the root off. These scallion are already washed and pick the dead leaves. And right now we cut it to half, and this part we cut like this. Cut like this. You can cut like this. Don't cut too big. This is the white part of the green onion we get. For the green part, we just cut it thinner. This green leaves we will use for decoration, so we cut it as thin as possible. Those green onion leaves we get. The shrimp, you can use the cooked or uncooked. This is the cooked shrimp. We need to pick and get the tail off and throw away. We just want the shrimp part, this part, meat part. If you have raw shrimp, you need to get the shells off and tails, and just get it plated. This is all the shrimp. We take off the tails and shells. What do we get? Okay, we'll crack the egg. We crack the egg and this is a plain salt. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. I don't want too salty. Little. This is black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it. Don't add too much. You can use a mixture style. I use 2 chopsticks to mix the egg. Make the yellow part and white part mix well. Okay, the yellow part and the white part mix well. We use it. Okay, we make a sauce. This is a plain salt. We add don't add too much. Add a pinch. A pinch, maybe I think a half teaspoon of salt. This is a soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Not too much. This is a cornstarch. We add I think it's a half teaspoon of cornstarch. Then add a 1/4 cup of cold tap water to it. Now mix it. Okay, so this sauce is done. We'll use it later. We turn the fire to the high fire and put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil to it. Okay, then rinse the pot. You can use a chopstick or put it in the oil. If you see the chopstick, the tip is have bubbles kind of frying, then means this oil is ready. The oil is hot. We add the egg into it. Mix the egg. Leave the bowl we use it. Okay, more weight. the egg, don't let the egg burn. We don't see some running eggs. Then this done. Help the stove. We put the egg back to the bowls we used. Okay, be careful. Put aside to use later. Now turn stove to 6 to medium flare. Add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Then add the green onion, the white part into the oil. We slowly fry. When the green onion, the white fry and really good smell, we added the shrimp. If you use the uncooked shrimp, you need to cook a little longer of the shrimp, cook a little longer. Now we're cooking the shrimp. If you use this shrimp, it's fully cooked, so we don't need to cook very long. Now turn the fire to the high fire. If the raw shrimp, you need to slowly cook until the shrimp turn to the pink color. Or you can boil the shrimp and then soak in the cold tap water or ice water, then use it for this dish. Because we use a fully cooked shrimp, so we don't need to cook it very long. Okay. Now we added the scrambled egg into it. Okay, we fry it. This is the sauce. Now when we add this sauce into it, stir it, we add it to it. Okay, good fry. Let this sauce stick up. Slowly fry until the sauce sticks up. Trying to see the sauce and stick up. Now we turn off the flame. So this dish is done. You try. That's so good. Now we get the green onion leaves. Put it on the top. You can add some, you don't need to add all to it. So the fried scrambled egg with shrimp, this dish is done. I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.